Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to video call on Android without app, like Facetime. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android device and open the phone app. You can usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's the app you use to make regular phone calls. Step 2. Once you're in the phone app, you'll see all your recent conversations listed. Scroll through the list and find the contact you want to video call. If the contact isn't visible, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find them. Tap on the contact to open the conversation. Step 3. After opening the conversation, you'll notice several options like calling, messaging, and more. Look for the video call icon. It usually looks like a small camera. Make sure your device has this option available and that it's set up properly. Step 4. Once everything is ready, tap the video call icon next to the contact's name. Your phone will start dialing, and all you need to do is wait for the person to pick up. If they answer, congratulations, you've just made a video call without any extra apps. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.